If your man cannot buy you iPhone, he cannot buy you car, he cannot buy you house, he cannot buy you hair, he's not a useless man. Go and walk! Go and walk! Go and walk!
Why are you gay?
Mommy, doctors! You've been asleep for a very long time.
You've been in coma for 2 years. I'm always your headache.
Play my song, you calm him down.
What was that? I don't know that song. Please play me something, a song from Naija.
From back.
Does anybody else have a problem with that?
No, you can sleep for 2 more years.
Also your 500. Target her from back. Yo, embezzle it.
Sister Debbie.
Lawyer,
Really?
I've
I've had quite a long day. Not been seeing you in church these days. Kilo shele.
admit me.
That's true. Pastor mentioned that you did surgery. Lawyer,
I'm not fine.
how can that?
See, I want you to help me sue the hospital for medical negligence.
My God. Hey, but sorry, you surgery will let's say if you don't mind.
Lawyer, that's not the point. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi sue.
Wait, my sister, I've got a surgery, to know the degree of negligence.
Good Lord. Okay, we call it BBL.
Butt lift.
Brazilian butt lift. Lawyer.
Can you do a 360 for the camera, please?
Lawyer.
I see doctor that help you to do this thing.
Of course. Doctor
Medical
now.
doctor, PhD holder.
This thing I'm telling you is very, very confidential.
No, of course.
Please.
Of course. Right. But the problem, there's a way. Sorry. There's a way. Please give me a minute.
Okay.
Hello, my dear. I'm Sister Deborah, welfare unit. One sick kakao. One less a dinner. Let me call you back. I'm coming, please.
I don't have time now.
Yeah. I'm client hello man talking. Kí ni my sister?
Ìyàwó yín ló message ní ló send message sí Kingdom Women yìí. WhatsApp group ní church. Wípé mo lọ ṣèdí. Are you for real?
How does he know?
How won't you know? Are you serious? Ẹ má worry. Kẹ́ kóra yín dànù.
Mr. Sister,
nonsense.
Sister Deborah.
Kẹ́ kó ṣì dànù.
Let the booty bounce.
Kó ṣì dànù jọ.
Let the booty bounce. Sister Deborah.
Nonsense.
Hello, fine girl.
Hello.
Seems you are from Zimbabwe. I like you. I don't know if I can have your number so we can talk later.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Let me call you so that I can save mine. That's my number. You can save it.
Okay. What's your name?
Can add love emoji.
So, my name is Pretty.
Pretty. You resemble your name. Thank you.
All right.
I'll call you.
Dissolve!
Confess. Confess. Sister? Hello? Wait, I beg. No wait.
Hi.
The mistake. Typical error. Please, let me delete my number, beg.
Why?
So don't tell me say you no get nyash. No line there your nyash. No line. Everything just join with your back.
Okay, Nyash now.
This is case number 28, a case against the accused.
Counsel against the defense to proceed.
My lord, if I may, my lord, you are very much alive far back in 1974 when we suffered a similar case at the tribunal. This infinitesimal structure from the Stone Age is not just accused but has been proven to be the one in charge of all the murders in the Modu community. My lord, all the evidences are clear and the community can come out and stand against this man and prove him what? Guilty of this particular case. My lord, it will be highly unscrupulous, incongruous and inappropriate if this young man is left back to walk freely in the society. I will not stand it and I believe the law will back me up. Thank you.
Let's hear from the defense without delay.
Thank you very much, my lord. My lord, I was sitting here quietly listening to the rumby, pumpy, and cacophones jabber that my half-learned colleague here was verbosing from his mouth in attempt to accuse my client. It is execrably pugnacious and attenuating to accuse somebody in this century without concrete evidence. If there is no pictorial evidence or human testimony that my client actually did what they accuse him of, you need to dismiss this case with immediate effect. My lord, this case does not have any base and should be dismissed immediately.
Objection, my lord.
Objection sustained.
My lord, you have been in the law firm for the past 20 years, and you can clearly state that merely looking at this young man, it's very much obvious that this young man is a murderer. My lord, if the court can spare us more 5 hours, some persons from Odumodu village will come here and testify against this young man. Because I don't know if we have any witnesses here, but witnesses are coming. This case has an end already. Objection, my lord.
But counsel, you don't judge a book by its cover. What is not the case?
My lord, look at this book now. Look at the book now.
My lord, my legal colleague here is trying to dribble this court with his psychomambagos grandiloquence. He does not have any concrete evidence. Please, let this case be dismissed with immediate effect.
Fem Labouche, without prejudice or much delay, is there anyone amongst the audience who can categorically state with practical witness that this toddler here is capable of murder or committed this murder in one way or the other? Come forward now or forever hold your peace. Time is of essence. Look before you leap. I repeat, look before you leap.
My lord, I was there.
Step forward.
Yes,
You were there.
I was at the scene, yes. My lord, with all witness and truth in me, on that beautiful day...
Fem Labouche, how can a day of massacre be beautiful? Retrospect your vocabulary.
On that ugly day, I was coming back. I saw this young boy strangling people to death. No be other man neck for fam. He strangled person, hold on for the person. They shall leave me, leave me, leave me. I tried to go and help.
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled.
So I said no. I tried my best to go, but that period things get as it be for me. I never chop. I saw this boy killing people. Kill 38 people for a village of 100.
With his bare hands.
I said, I don't know as it happen. I just keep quiet because of say nothing in my belly make I not go fight. Make them kill me here too. Because if they kill me, who for stand as witness? Try your best. Make them lock this guy for prison.
My lord, I think there's a misunderstanding.
What misunderstanding?
The police just brought in the main accused.
Hey! 2, 3, hit it!
Hope say you don't see and say I don't talk the way it happened. Anybody when they pay that money now start to they call me, they arrange the money.
Your 10 million day tax.
Eyewitness, can you repeat what you said earlier on?
Judge, that thing what I talk that time, you suppose don't hear am. Not everything that they repeat for this life. Oh.
Say it now. Be a witness.
Not be you them pay to talk. What talk now? When I not there when this guy been there.
No! What?
So now what I mean I don't know what this guy do.
What did he do?
Judge, this place what I did.
Do you have any pictorial or video evidence to back up your juxtaposition against this patriotic citizen?
This question not be for only me now. If I ask others with the village, anyone from now hope your video because me I don't get my battery been spoiled that day.
I see you are acting under duress. Having read through the juxtaposed from both counsels and the confused eyewitness, this is a case of David and Goliath biblically. I do hereby find the supposed accused not guilty and discharged without prejudice.
Jesus!
I rest